Are you looking for a top-notch Figma UI UX designer to create your website pages, mobile app designs, SaaS products, dashboard UI, or any other designs? If yes, then you are in the right place. Hi, I am Akash Roy. I am a highly experienced UI UX designer with more than 8 years of experience in this industry. I am an expert in creating modern, professional, and pixel-perfect designs. My unique design skills will take your products and services to the next level. I have completed over 200 projects for many of my happy clients. I will deliver prototypes, design system, and responsive design. Responsive designs for mobile, tablet, and desktop devices. I use tools like Figma, Adobe XD, Illustrator, Photoshop, and Sketch. I will do my best to bring your vision to life with highest priority. If you want me as an experienced UI UX designer to take care of your projects, then just give me your project details and I will do the rest. Thank you so much.